Oh, well, I'll use you later. Ah, yes, here is the dangerous. I'm just gonna fly over you. The dangerous zone. And here are my mangoes. Mango. Jeez, a lot of them. Okay. You guys ate all the mangoes. I want more. I wonder if I can find some more. It's a mango tree. Is the mangoes here? Nope. Nothing. They left nothing for me. Mangoes. Where are my mangoes? Guess I'll just head back first and start a mango farm first before they start destroying everything. They already have. Great. Right as I said it. Build a garden. Wait. Where do I? Oh, right. This. There we go. Mango tree. Nice healthy mango tree. You guys eat this up. I'll go sell these so that it grows. I'm gonna buy some upgrades for the mango thing so it grows faster. 600. Not enough. Definitely not enough. No, for the mangoes. This all, yes. Oh no, sprinkler system. I need a sprinkler system. Is this full? Is this full? It's sort of full. This is full. Yes, I can dig out these. This should be enough to upgrade this to max. 545, yes. Okay, so now this should grow really fast and give me enough mangoes to feed these guys so that they're not some whiny. Jesus, I shouldn't say that. They're getting mad because I'm saying this. I'm speaking behind their back. Wait. Wait, do I? Yes, let me check my water. Pardon the slimes. Wait, I'm saying wait a lot. You go in. Just stay in. Maybe you'll calm them down. Oh, and my puddle slimes have been busy. Do I put another 2 puddle slimes? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I just put 2 more puddle slimes. I don't know if they stop producing puddle lords. They might start hating me. They might conspire and try to create a plan to assassinate me, the president. Jesus, this is such bad value. But I have to. Oh, still got quite a bit from that. I'll sleep till morning. Why not? Good morning. How are we all doing? Cranky, I understand. I haven't given you anything to eat. Air drive upgrade. I should get that actually. That'd be nice. I think that helps me go higher faster. Or maybe like just go higher in general. Oh, I forgot that I have 2 more plots here actually. Should utilize them some more. Sell these. And let me buy myself this upgrade. Air drive. Let me see what this says. Enhanced jetpack thrusters that consume 20% less energy but produce double the fun. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's good. That's what I need. Also, I was curious. Maybe I should try this 7Z rewards club. 750. It's not that much. Could use it and see what happens. Okay. What did that do? So I initiated it. Fence upgrade. Does that do anything? What are these? Did I get something? I got nothing. I don't think I see anything new. Oh, mangoes, yes. This is good. Otherwise they would have destroyed, these guys would have destroyed everything. Okay. Please, just eat up. Just eat up. Oh my god, I will die. I will get knocked out by these guys. Okay, wait. This gives me a fence upgrade. I don't know what that is, but I can try it out. So I am now a Pioneer 1. I can... What? There's no fence upgrade. What? Did I get scammed? Okay, wait, internet, do I need to recharge my internet? No, I don't. And there is no fence. What fence upgrade did you do? This is a scam. Can I just get scammed? Okay, power core 3, yes, that's nice. Oh, 1500 now. Let me check what happened to my puddle slimes. Are they happier with each other? Don't think they are. Because more than 3, yeah, there's literally no puddle blocks yet. I'm gonna take 2 of these out. I don't wanna risk it. I was thinking to throw them in the slime sea, but I don't think that's humane. So I'll go and dispose of them by just putting them back in the where I found them. Yeah, that's what I do. I think I can also go ahead and get enough stone. Oh yes, that's what I need actually. I need to put the stone hens with all the within the coop, because I need a lot of stone hens for the Tabby Gordo slime. Because the Tabby slime's their favorite food is the stone hens, and stony hens, I'm not growing any of them. I'll do that. I'll put the stony hens inside this. No, that's a hen. I'm just preparing for later so that it's faster. Otherwise, I'm just get a bunch of chickens. That's a waste. Stony, any other stony? Come on, I just need 1 stony honestly. Yes, okay, got stony. That's great. Tar. Let me just. Okay, and any more stony hens, or did you eat all of them, you greedy, lovable creatures? Okay, fine. Let's put these stony hens there. Oh yeah, and I have to dispose of these puddle slimes. Not dispose of them, just put them back where I found them. And you guys find your way here. Thank you for your service. I will not need you anymore, so you guys have fun. Oh wait. I swear that wasn't there before. How do they just start coming here? How do these, crates just happen to be there? They just come to existence out of nowhere. Okay, you guys can have... Okay. Yes, you guys can have that. I already have taken yours, I'll take this one. I just gave up 2 puddle slimes, why are you asking me now? But 9 of these, 5, 250. No, I don't want to go through this now. What? That was just unfortunate timing. Also, what I'll do is I'll take a few. Okay, more mangoes. Oh, elder hen. Interesting. So some of these are too old now. I'll just remove them because can't really do much with them. But where'd my rooster go? Oh no. Do I have a rooster anymore? Or is it too old? Okay, I have a rooster at least. I just have to be lucky then to just keep having roosters, because Otherwise, I'm dead. And then they can't reproduce. Okay, you guys take the stony hens. I'll put like 2 briar hens in here. The rest I'll just feed them. Oh! I didn't even know this was a thing. I guess that makes it scary to the other slimes. They just make a scary noise. Yeah, no, it's just the spring, but it's funny. I didn't realize that happens. Okay, I'll sell these parts now. I have so many. So, I'm sitting on a lot of money right now. And yeah, we've got a pretty good thing going. Next time around, I think I'll start exploring the. What was that? I'll go destroy the tabby. Not destroy. Feed the tabby slime until it explodes, because it just likes food that much apparently. And then yeah, we'll see. We'll try to open another area. Wait, I can open this grotto, right? Pretty sure it's pretty low. Oh yeah, 1795, yep. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it's just a cave. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 6? No, 5. Oh, another place. But there's no opening for it. Interesting. And what's here? Oh, it's the outside. Whoa. Whoa. It's a new area. Oh, another one of these teleporters. Nice. Okay. So, new area. Can I? This is the ground. Oh. Okay, make it across this. And make it across this. Make it across this. That was probably the best way I could have ended that episode. So, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.